guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Here on my channel, I do planner and planner related videos, and every once and again, I will do a sneak peek of new releases or things I'll be listing or have listed in my Etsy shop. And if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that little notification bell so that every time I do upload a new video, you will be notified. So this is my big happy planner that I track social media and business in. Last week I did a 10-minute challenge where I challenged myself to decorate in here over 10 minutes, obviously, in my DIY dashboard layout. If you are new here, I do use this planner for social media and business tracking. I do take a traditional vertical layout and turn it into my own DIY dashboard layout. I find this super functional for me. I can't get my hands on an actual dashboard layout here in Hawaii, and having seen some of them, I don't know that I'd like it anyway because I'd still need to customize some of the boxes. In previous weeks, I have been heavily doodling, but as I mentioned in the video that I just did, I'm feeling super run down. I don't know that I'm coming back with a cold because I'm just recovering from one, or if it's because of PMS, because I had some really bad cramps last night. I don't know what it is, but I'm just feeling really tired. So I think doing the 10-minute challenge will help me focus on the spread, and yeah. So I was actually flipping through my sticker books, and I think not only will I be doing a 10-minute challenge, but I think I'm going to really strive to have it either just black stickers or just keep with the black and green theme, just because that's the color of the month. And not because today is St. Patrick's Day. And happy St. Patrick's Day for those of you who celebrate. So the two sticker books that I believe I will be utilizing is the watercolor sticker book as well as the color story sticker books. And I've been meaning to mention this. I received an email from Amazon in the beginning part of March. It could have even been late February that although I had signed up for the Amazon affiliate program and I had been using it, my channel isn't big enough for it to be worthwhile for them, which is fine. I mean, their party, their rules. So when you see the links below, as much as possible, I will carry over the original affiliate links that I used only because they're short. I can't get a short URL for anything new. So as much as possible, I am posting or reposting those new ones, but I am not part of their program. So they are not true Amazon affiliate links. Really, they're just to help you find the products. And if and when I can get into the Amazon affiliate link program, then I will definitely let you know in the description box below. But as of today, March 17th, I am not in it. And I think what they did was they paid me out for all of the affiliate things people bought, and I think I got a whopping $1.03. Well, that's what they said. They would pay me out for any of the money that I had earned, but I actually don't know where that went. So I've got to figure out that, but you know, for $1.03, I'm not going to spend hours looking for it. But I just wanted to let you know that. So any of the links you see below are not affiliate links, so I make absolutely no money out of it, no commission, no anything like that. And if you see the short ones, it is an old link, and I did check, they still work. It's just they're not tied to any affiliate program that I belong to, if you were wondering. So we are going to do a black and green spread. We're going to really try for that. And we're going to turn on the timer, which is set to 10 minutes. And yeah, we're going to see how this goes. All right, wish me luck, guys. Now, if you're not familiar with the dashboard layout, what is really, I think, great about it, at least the way that I plan, is I can see all of my week on one side. So if you can see the top, I don't have to worry about keeping things in that listing. So that, I think, works really well for me. If you do have a lot of things going on, then this may actually not be the layout for you, because on some of the Facebook groups that I belong to, some of the ladies said that they don't like it because there isn't enough room, not even just to decorate, but if they decorate, it still isn't enough room to put everything they have going on for that day or that week or whatever. So they don't find it super functional. The stickers aren't made, or at least the stickers that I have aren't made for the dashboard layout. I know there's quite a bit of new releases that happened this past week or so. I don't have any of them, so I don't care. But yeah, that maybe some of them have dashboard layout sticker self things. Sorry, it's really hard to talk and concentrate on putting stickers down. If you're wondering. So these are going to be my headers for the week, much easier than it was last week. Let me put down my stenciling. And again here, I do my tracking for my YouTube. And once again, I forgot to take them off the rings. That's okay. We'll make it okay. And this stencil is listed below in the description box. I believe it's the Yalis, Y-A-L-I-S, 26-piece stencil set. And this may not be exactly the same company, but when I was looking through the screens on Amazon, or the pictures of what's included, this specific stencil was in that pack. So, because I know I'm thinking people are interested in these stencils here that I use all the time, because predominantly this is the only stencil I use, although I do have 3 on standby, or oh my god guys, I have 2 on standby. I have 3 total in that folder in the beginning of this book. So I've got 6 minutes left. I don't know if you can see that. So this is where I do my weekly stats. And last week I actually forgot to even look. So I'll be comparing this week's stats with 2 weeks prior. And Instagram, Facebook, blog, YouTube, Pinterest. Thought I had more than that, but again, I can't deal with that right now. So super plain, not a fan of that. And I actually did, oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, a blog post this week, because I will be, oh my god. Deep breath. I will be listing cash envelopes in my Etsy shop, and I wanted to have the transaction log available, because I will be including some transaction logs in with the envelopes. Oh my God. And in the event that people ran out, I wanted them to have a spot where they could print out some more. This may actually be the last video for today because I just cannot keep my head in the game, honestly, and I am so sorry for that. Oh my God, I only have 2 minutes left. Where did the time go? You've got to be kidding. Doesn't help that I can't get these damn stickers up. I don't know why I do this to myself. I don't know why I give myself so much stress. Oh, that was the time. That wasn't how much time I... Oh, right. I just showed you my passcode. Oh, God. Okay, just calm down. Just calm down. Jeez. Breathe, just breathe. Crooked. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna do a 10-minute challenge next week, because I'm going to forget how stressful this makes me. I do like the results. I'm not gonna lie. I like that it's quick and I don't have a lot of time to decide. So sometimes I think it can get a bit crazy when you have too much time. I don't know if my hair is in the shot. Next week I might do a mermaid theme. When I purchased this, it was from Amazon and I didn't really see. I only purchased it actually for the girls in it. Okay. So I didn't really look at the book. I didn't have the opportunity to, so I didn't know if I would like these stickers. I have to say I'm not mad at it. Oh, that looks janky. it. How do I turn it off? So I know it went off, but I'm going to add 2 more stickers right in my days, and we'll call it a day. I hope this is in frame. I hope I haven't been driving myself crazy for nothing. Now up here I normally put Instagram and Facebook. And I'll probably find something to go there that says that. But yeah, I wanted to use them. And I don't know how I feel about it saying today, but I learned, oh God, you've got to be kidding me. I don't know where my head's at, guys. Truly, I don't. Last week, I learned that cutting off these little things, if they do not fit, cutting off these little things because the words didn't fit what I wanted them to fit, took a lot of time. And I'm not even frustrated. I mean, I am frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm really trying to hold it together to finish the video. And I want to do this video. It's not like I'm just doing this because I need to upload videos. I enjoy the process. It's just, mentally, I just can't seem to keep it together. Okay. And to be perfectly honest, I think it looks kind of nice. The black and green, yeah. Again, I'm going to put something here just to denote what it is, although my box's positions don't really change, so I don't really need to do that. But yeah, this is my spread for the week of the 18th through the 24th. I am so sorry, guys. Hopefully when I do next week's spread, well, the way that things work is I'll get the PMS the week before, so next weekend I'll just be dealing with some other things, but hopefully I won't feel so lost and just run down and scattered. I feel scattered today. Maybe I should just stop with the filming and binge on Hulu, although I don't have it, and I stopped Netflix, so maybe I'll just take a nap. Maybe that's what I need. I need a nap. Anyway, guys, as always, aloha.